हेलो गाइस, आई एम अविनाश एंड आई एम बैक विद अनदर पॉडकास्ट। मेरे साथ अभी बैठी हैं डॉक्टर स्वाति। शी इज़ एक्चुअली परसुइंग हर एमडी फ्रॉम एम्स भोपाल, जो कि काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स की रिक्वेस्ट होती है कि हमें एम्स भोपाल में ही पढ़ना है। सो आई हैव विद हर विथ मी। आज उनसे हम सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे जो भी आपके क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं रिलेटेड टू नीट या फिर पीजी। सो डॉक्टर स्वाति, प्लीज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिव योर ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन. How did your journey of MBBS started and why you are in AIIMS Bhopal?
Okay, thank you so much for inviting me. And my name is Dr. Swati Thakur. I am doing MD in Physiology from AIIMS Bhopal. And how my journey started of becoming a doctor back in 2016, I got admission in State Medical College, my state. And it was always there. There was no confusion like you have to become doctor or do something else. The seeds of that, it was there since childhood, and also due to my interest in healing and healthcare, like how to be healthy. I used to keep on exploring different things, even in my school days also, like different healthy foods or how we can be healthy. So I was fascinated by also the human body. Like it's such a magnificent machine, kind of, we can say, like intricate details and everything. So हमेशा से ही वो था, and then I just gave my entrance. I got a seat in State Medical College.
Okay.
And I just got it.
Okay. So स्वाति, अब मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है वो काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स का हो सकता है कि किसी के पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं उन्हें डॉक्टर बनना है, किसी का सपना होता है डॉक्टर बनना है. व्हाट वाज योर रीजन कि आई वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर?
I say it's my dream, and also it's like complimentary my parents. Same also when you say like ठीक है मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है. In India also anyway we see these professions as something good. So अगर बच्चा खुद ही बोल रहा है तो पेरेंट्स के लिए तो अच्छा है ना कि ठीक है. तो it was like both ways mutually.
Okay, now I have a question. So आपका ड्रीम था डॉक्टर बनना है. So how was your life before joining a college? ठीक है, जब आप फेज में थे, आप एग्जाम दे रहे हो, आप काउंसलिंग कर रहे हो, एंड यू आर थिंकिंग कि अब मैं डॉक्टर बनने वाली हूँ, अब मैं डॉक्टर बनने वाली हूँ. देन डे वन स्टार्टेड, आप कॉलेज जाते हो तो वहाँ पे यू फील कि ओके डॉक्टर की पढ़ाई कैसी होती है. देन यू ग्रेजुएट और फिर आप डॉक्टर एक्चुअली बन जाते हो. सो वो तीनों लाइफ कैसी थी? हाउ डिफरेंट दे वर फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ देम?
Okay, so before when I was in school, I was a good academic wise. I was good, like always topper of the class and all that. So because I had this like interest in studying and all these things, so that was not a problem. I didn't took coaching. I just after my 12th I gave the exam.
Okay.
I studied in a very regular school, nothing much like fancy, very high school, just basic. And along with that, I used to like study online. That time internet, it was not that much, but still we had like Wi-Fi and all that in my home. So I used to mostly, I have done self-study only. So उस टाइम पे before the exam nothing, just single focus कि exam निकालना है. और मेरे को ये भी था कि first attempt में निकालना है, क्योंकि I don't want to give another year. The way कि जो इतना वो था curiosity कि क्या सिखाते हैं medical college में, so I wanted to eager about that. So
that was before joining. अब आपने कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया फिर?
Yeah. College में you like when you come out of the school and you just join, it's completely entirely different world altogether. It's just school से आप आते हो, then घर से दूर जाते हो, and different environment. And school में it's just you have just one focus कि ठीक है exam crack करना है, you are just studying. And but when you come in college, entire whole world opens. Like you know like है क्या करना है क्या है. So initially lot of curiosity कि ठीक है इतने subjects हैं, ये books हैं, नए students all over the country, like you meet students and faculties also, and it goes many things happen like over a period of 5.5 years.
Okay. And जब आप graduate होते हो, finally you done with your internship, now you are an actual doctor. How life was different then? जो expectation थी उससे कितना different थी?
Like if क्या आपकी expectations हैं उस पर depend करता है.
Okay.
For me it was mostly the fascination to know about human body, how it works, how can we heal. And for me, it's a little shock during my second, third year. I was like, we are studying books and doing mostly the theoretical aspect, but practical कहीं ना कहीं वो missing था, क्योंकि mostly वो internship में ही कहीं ना कहीं start होता है. अब now they are coming with some change in curriculum,
Okay.
but our times it's mostly more of the theoretical side in the first 2-3 years. So I was missing that जो मैंने सोचा था, expectations थी, okay we will start with that compassion towards the patients and we'll do that. So mostly we were in the books studying about n number of diseases, complex terms, and we have like tests. Giving tests has become like very this thing every month, or you have those like someone teacher is there on your head and they are like अपने assignments करो and all those things.
Okay. So it's very different. मतलब जब आप डॉक्टर बनने का सपना पाल रहे हो, फिर जब आप कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करने जाते हो और जब आप डॉक्टर एक्चुअली बन जाते हो. So now Swati, मेरा एक जो क्वेश्चन है, like this is the question which comes from very many parents also and from many students also. अब if I talk about government college, तो वहाँ का कट ऑफ हाई जाता है. Okay. So what is the core difference, मतलब क्या डिफरेंस हो सकता है गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में और एक प्राइवेट मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन में, अपार्ट फ्रॉम फीस, अगर हम फीस का फैक्टर ही हटा देते हैं. So what is the difference in government and private institution?
If fees is not a concern for someone and if they really want to go, then it's like, because mostly in medical college it's mostly आपको खुद ही सीखना है. Lectures will be there, professors will teach, but still you have to put that effort, or it depends upon your own willingness and your curiosity to learn. आप उतना सीख पाओगे. So whether it's government college or private college, अगर आप खुद से सीखना चाहते हो तो it's not much of a difference. What I feel.
So apart from fees, like if I want to become a doctor, that does not mean कि मुझे वहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें हाथ में दब दी जाएंगी. I have to learn something, everything from my own. Okay. So अब यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन आता है वो ये होता है कि obviously बात है, काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट प्रेशर नहीं हैंडल कर पाते. Like this year if I talk about around 24-25 lakh students are appearing for NEET. Seats हमारे पास around 1 lakh 6,000 7,000 8,000 at this rough figure. तो स्टूडेंट्स के काफ़ी सारे ड्रीम्स होते हैं, वो उस चीज़ को कर नहीं पाते. तो एज अ पेरेंट हाउ कैन आई डिसाइड कि मुझे अपने बेटे या बेटी को डॉक्टर ही बनाना है, या फिर व्हाट आर द की थिंग्स व्हिच आई शुड नोटिस कि ठीक है आई कैन बैक ट्रैक, नहीं बनना चाहिए आपको डॉक्टर?
I feel it's a lengthy journey. If you decide, it's not a small thing. Like it has to be mature thing. आप बैठ के बच्चे से बात करो and really एक तो होना चाहिए बच्चे का भी inclination towards that. बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, अगर उसे बिल्कुल ही किसी और चीज़ में interest है, third से don't pressurize in the long run, because in my batch also there were two students who left, वो seat छोड़ दी उन्होंने because depression and all those things, they couldn't manage all that. क्योंकि अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, इंटरेस्ट इज समथिंग दैट विल कीप यू गोइंग. इफ यू हैव द इंटरेस्ट इन दैट थिंग, अगर इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं होगा तो हाउ कैन यू कीप गोइंग? सो दैट इज वन थिंग. एंड अदर थिंग, व्हेन टू डिसाइड, ठीक है नहीं हो रहा है तो इट्स लाइक इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द चिल्ड्रन आल्सो. अगर बच्चा बोल रहा है चाइल्ड कि आई वांट टू टेक अनदर ड्रॉप, then it's okay, but he's saying like no, अब नहीं हो पाएगा and he want to do something else. So please let him or her do that.
Okay, मतलब first of all you're saying कि parents should listen to their child. And like obviously pressure बहुत ज़्यादा होता है which you have already discussed. So like they should be aware of it कि अगर मेरा बेटा बेटी डॉक्टर बनने जाएगा, so it's not going to be cake walk कि मैं बिल्कुल नॉर्मल कर लूँगा. मेरा करियर में बहुत सारी चीज़ें बदल जाएंगी. And this is very important, especially if you have nobody in your family as a doctor. Because अगर कोई डॉक्टर होता है तो you are aware कि करियर कैसा होता है. So now my next question is कि like हम MBBS का एम करते हैं एंड अब मेरे पास दो कंस्ट्रेंट है. द कट ऑफ इज वेरी हाई, सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट अ गुड गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज और एटलीस्ट अ गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज. फीस फॉर प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर वेरी हाई. सो मेरे पास क्या ऑल्टरनेटिव करियर ऑप्शंस हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम MBBS व्हिच आई कैन परस्यू, सो एटलीस्ट आई विल बिकम अ डॉक्टर, जो कि मेरा ड्रीम था. मे बी फॉर मेरा ड्रीम ही है डॉक्टर बनने का. एंड इफ नॉट MBBS, सो व्हाट एल्स इज देयर?
There are various other things like BMS, BHMS, or even like dentistry. So it is not nowadays. We always glorified like MBBS doctor only, but we need to be aware of this fact that there are many good alternative sciences also, and we have to keep our mind, like be open-minded about those as well. And mostly these are good complementary therapies, and it's not like if you don't get MBBS seat, so you can't. So these are good, you can explore, you can look into that, like what is that like, and if you like, please do like pursue, go with that.
Okay, so basically you're trying to say is कि like there are multiple options like BHMS, BUMS or BDS. So मेरा question ये है, like this is a personal question which I have. So in MBBS I study everything in my body from head to toe. Why like this BDS thing is different? Why it's a different sort of a degree? Why it's not same in, like why it is not included in MBBS?
It's not included in MBBS because dental hygiene, oral hygiene, it has been seen separate.
Okay.
Like But yeah, it's a good question. Like, why only we have excluded that? Not because if you are ophthalmologist, so that is included in MBBS.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
also, one more thing I'd like to add, it's more detailed. Like, you have the root canals and everything.
Okay.
So that goes more intricate. तो उनको पूरा detail में वो चीज़ focus करके सिखाते हैं. So in that way, and also they study all these subjects. जो हम भी पूरा पढ़ते हैं mostly, even BDS में भी और BHMS में भी, the subjects mostly are similar.
Okay.
Only the few subjects are different. It's also 4.5 years duration तो same ही है, and 1 year internship. The most of the curriculum, if you see, it's matches all those like DMS, BHMS or BDS.
So you are saying कि like अगर MBBS नहीं करता हूँ तो I can pursue other things also and including BDS. बिकॉज मेरे पास जो मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स की क्वेरीज आती हैं दैट इज जस्ट कि मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ MBBS ही करना है. अब MBBS करना है तो उसमें अब प्रॉब्लम ये आता है कि ठीक है मैंने 2 साल मेहनत करी, मैंने एग्जाम दिया, अच्छे नंबर नहीं आए. सो व्हाट आई डिड, मैंने एक कलेक्टिव पेरेंट्स के साथ डिस्कस किया, आई टेक अ ड्रॉप. मैंने एक ड्रॉप लिया, उसमें भी नहीं आया फॉर एनी रीजन. सो आई से कि मैं दूसरा ड्रॉप ले लेता हूँ. बिकॉज इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ अपीयरिंग फॉर नीट एज पर द करंट क्वेश्चन, मतलब रेगुलेशन जो है उसमें यू हैव नो अपर एज लिमिट, यू हैव मिनिमम एज लिमिट बट नो अपर एज लिमिट. सो कितने ड्रॉप्स सफिशिएंट हैं कि लाइक वेयर आई विल बी एबल टू डिसाइड कि अब मुझे करना चाहिए और ईदर आई शुड गिव अप एंड गो फॉर ऑल्टरनेटिव थिंग्स व्हिच आर गुड.
Again, it's one is the mindset and also your improvement. Like आपने एक drop दिया and you see your scores, and scores से भी काफी कुछ हमें पता चलता है. And your mindset of going कि ठीक है, if you are totally determined कि यही चाहिए, then go for it. But like after 3-4 drops, I don't feel like उसके बाद ज़्यादा आपको आगे जाने की, because ऐसा नहीं है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ मिसकंसेप्शन कि सिर्फ MBBS से सिर्फ यही कॉलेज चाहिए. इट्स कहीं ना कहीं हमें सोसाइटी और ड्यू टू द स्ट्रक्चर वी हैव पुट दिस लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स इन अस. अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो देयर आर मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस. इट्स नॉट जस्ट दैट कि यही करके यू कैन बी अ गुड डॉक्टर. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट.
ओके. सो अब लेट्स मूव टू द प्रोफेशन ऑफ डॉक्टर. मैंने काफ़ी सारे डॉक्टर्स के साथ बात करी एंड एवरीवन सेज दैट इट इज स्ट्रेसफुल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाई इट इज स्ट्रेसफुल? And secondly, what you as a doctor do something to sort of manage that stress?
It is stressful, no doubt about that. And also in today's time, like which profession is not stressful, or in general, life has become stressful. It's not just for doctors, because we have clients came or patients came in our integrative clinic. So most of the problems, 90% of the people, like there is so much stress. Even if we have so much work to do, stress. Nothing to do, stress.
Okay.
So it's something the way we have structured as a society, the fast-paced running world. So with profession it comes because we are dealing with live human beings. So that is one factor. And also the amount of study, the curriculum is designed that. So that is one more reason. But there are various techniques we can manage it, like various relaxation techniques, some breathing, or involve in some physical activity, exercise or some sports. Give at least some time to that, even if you are very busy. But first of all, your own health is most important. Only then you can do something for others.
Okay. So again, I do understand in terms of stressful what you mean by that, because एक डॉक्टर ने मुझे बोला था कि like for doctor every single minute is an emergency because you don't know when someone is going to get a heart attack. So I want to understand one thing. आपने MBBS किया, you must have seen how stressful it will be. So why you thought कि अब मुझे PG करना है? Why you thought of it like I want to go for PG? Why not just MBBS करके मैं अपना career आगे बढ़ाता हूँ?
Okay, that's a very good question. And how I came to join PG, it's also a story a little bit briefly I'll tell. Okay. So during my internship, there we have the hectic duties, and during that 1 year, I was almost like lost my few kgs, and my other friends also were like completely standing 24-48 hours duties and those kind. And as you say, like for doctor, every second is an emergency. So that applies either you are working as an emergency medical officer or you are doing your specialization in some branch like surgery or some those emergency areas. But there are some branches like more preclinical or some branches like dermatology where there are not much emergencies.
Okay.
So there are various options. Like after MBBS, it's not just that now you have done MBBS, so just you have to do. You can choose. There are multiple options. It's not like that if you are seeing yourself that I am not able to fit in this role. So there are multiple options, and that's why after MBBS I was thinking what to do because of my interest in holistic and integrative medicine. I don't like this like keeping sitting in a OPD and doing the things like that is not my thing.
Okay.
Like so, I wanted to explore other things after MBBS. I explored many things for a few months. I was at my home. I explored gardening and various other things also. Some music things. I learned musical instruments also. And after that, unfortunately, it's kind of has become a trend or a compulsion that MBBS is just half thing. You have to specialize in something.
Okay.
You can open your clinic, but these days the kind of इतना competition है. So how you will be able to create your niche or like
Okay.
everyone wants to go to some show to specialize. It's also one thing. There are different population, अलग-अलग strata है लोगों का. So it's up to you after MBBS also. There is nothing like कि आपको MD करना ही करना है. You can choose accordingly.
Okay, so one interesting question which is there in my mind कि अगर ठीक है मुझे MD करना है, I decided कि मुझे MD करना है, तो मैं कितना ब्रेक ले सकता हूँ? So like मैंने अपना MBBS के internship डन हुआ and now I can become a doctor. Okay, technically I am a doctor. अब मैं कितना ब्रेक ले सकता हूँ उसके बाद I can decide कि okay ठीक है मुझे MD करना चाहिए. So like is there a limit sort of a thing कि जो करना चाहिए? Because again this is a career question. I want to मैं मतलब डॉक्टर सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं बन रहा हूँ कि मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है. I want to become a specialist ताकि I can provide value to the world. So what is the duration जिसके gap में मैं decide कर सकता हूँ कि मुझे I should pursue MD or not?
There is no particular duration as such. It depends upon you. After MBBS also you can work as a medical officer.
Okay.
But if you have some particular interest, वो you can explore different branches and then कि आपको कौन सा ज़्यादा सही लग रहा है. So you can take your time. There is no such limit because already you have one like degree with you and you can do many things with that also. And when you feel like this is appealing to me, you are not sure during your internship or earlier like what to do, then you can take your time. There is nothing, no limit as such.
Okay.
You have to choose.
So अब MD वाला एक और question है मेरा कि like what happens कोई भी student in India will take another like career field, graduation complete करके they think of masters going to abroad. So why you have not thought of going to abroad for pursuing your MD? Okay, because वहाँ पे भी अच्छी career opportunities हैं, you learn a lot of things and you can become actually a good specialist again in terms of research. There is good. So what was your reason to stay in India and study in AIIMS for the MD?
Yeah, there are many options like USMLE for USA and PLAB. I did give a thought about that, but again, that's a long journey and long. To be honest, I didn't want to put that much more in because you have to study at least 1-2 years of dedicated time to crack those exams. USMLE and all these are not easy exams. You have like step 1, step 2, and there you have like 9 hours continuous exam one day you have to give, and it's like a big thing. So I didn't want to go into that stage of preparation, and also I wanted to stay here. So
okay, अब like obviously you did your MBBS from a government college and your friends some किसी ने private institution से भी किया होगा, कुछ ने abroad से भी किया होगा. So what is your say on this कि like if I'm not able to get a good option in India, can I pursue my MBBS or I would say equivalent degree from abroad?
yeah, sure. I know few friends who have done from like other countries, China and Russia.
Okay. So they're back in India as a doctor or like they are pursuing मतलब MD वहाँ से कर रहे थे?
They are back in India. अगर उन्हें India आना है तो they have to clear an exam, foreign graduate examination.
Yeah.
After that only they can practice here in India.
Okay, so like you're saying that it is a viable option. They can go abroad also. Okay, so now my next question is, अभी जो मेरे पास students की queries आती हैं उसमें I see a lot of students are saying कि becoming a doctor is getting tougher and tougher because I'll give you an example. Around 25 lakh students are appearing for NEET and seats are maybe 1,10,000. So do you think like becoming a doctor is getting more tough or like it is becoming easier at the school level or I would say at the very basic level?
If you see the exam, it has become more and more easy, the questions and the thing. But due to and no exam is easy or tough. It depends कि कितना seats है और कितना दे रहे हैं क्योंकि seats तो उतने ही हैं जितना ज़्यादा लोग appear करेंगे तो the selection ratio is decreases. And yes, it's true. There is one survey or something done. तो AIIMS में admission लेना it is more difficult than getting into Harvard. क्योंकि the ratio is very thin. इतने लोग appear कर रहे हैं and seats इतनी कम हैं. So yes, it is difficult.
Okay, speaking about AIIMS, मेरे पास question students का आता है. Is there anything apart from AIIMS? अगर student का AIIMS में नहीं होता है, so can they still become a doctor? I want to hear from you because I know the answer, but I want to hear from you.
Yes, certainly. Even when I was in school, I had this thing क्योंकि एम्स का सबको क्रेज होता है, like we want to be एम्सोनियन and all. So मुझे भी था कि ठीक है, I used to aim like ठीक है एम्स में ही जाना है और some college like जिपमर. But then when I gave my entrance, मेरा 96 कुछ percentile था, तो कुछ marks में रह गई थी उसमें.
Okay.
So in that time I got state medical college में मुझे मिल गया. So I was in dilemma कि छोड़ दूँ ये seat and take one more drop and prepare for AIIMS. But then my uncle is also doctor. We talked and he told me, I still remember that line. Some admission day हम गए थे वहाँ पे, तो उनके कुछ friends थे, they came to counsel me and see like that. So they say it doesn't matter at the end. कोई आपसे ये नहीं पूछेगा कि आपने कहाँ से किया. It's your knowledge or skills जो आपको खुद ही सीखना है.
Okay.
To certain fact, yes, it makes a difference. It makes things more easier if अगर आपका institute good हो. But ठीक है अगर आपको नहीं, you have to take that risk benefit ratio and अपनी situation analyze करके.
Okay. So basically you are saying कि अगर AIIMS नहीं होता तो you can still become a doctor. So do not worry students, you can still become a doctor. And why I'm asking this question, because she is doing her MD from AIIMS Bhopal. So she knows better than obviously a lot of people. Now one more question. Yesterday I met a person who has done his MBBS. He said कि doctors का थोड़ा सा like value कम होता जा रहा है society में. So do you feel this, or if yes, why do you think that this is happening?
डॉक्टर्स का वैल्यू कम होता जा रहा है सोसाइटी में टू सम एक्सटेंट. यस, बिकॉज हम अगर देखें पहले के टाइम में, अगर सिर्फ आपने MBBS किया है, क्योंकि इतने कम, ऑल्सो द रेशियो डॉक्टर पेशेंट रेशियो इज ऑल्सो वेरी लेस इन इंडिया, तो पहले और भी कम था. तो इट्स लाइक यू विल बी ट्रीटेड वेरी डिफरेंटली. वो जो एक वो स्टेटस था. बट नाउ इट्स लाइक इन मोर एंड मोर मेडिकल कॉलेजेस आर ओपनिंग. ज़्यादा बच्चे हम तो जैसे क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज होती है तो कहीं ना कहीं वो क्वालिटी उतना मेंटेन नहीं हो पाता और डिक्रीज हो जाता है. नए मेडिकल कॉलेजेस खुल रहे हैं, उनमें उतना अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और चीज़ें नहीं है. somehow that quality, that factor is also there. And also more and more people, if someone don't wants to become a doctor and they choose by pressure,
Okay.
so how can they become a good doctor, because उनको तो वो करना ही नहीं था.
Okay. So basically you're saying कि like you have to work hard. It's simple. अगर आप work hard करते हो, you become a specialist, तो आपकी value होगी. Otherwise you will become just a journalist, something like that. Okay, fine. अब let's go back to your school days जब आप counseling कर रहे थे. So आपने जब काउंसलिंग करी तो ऐसी क्या मिस्टेक्स होती हैं जो फर्स्ट टाइम स्टूडेंट करता है ड्यूरिंग देयर काउंसलिंग व्हिच एक्चुअली अफेक्ट्स देम टू गेट अ गुड कॉलेज? बिकॉज आई हैव सीन कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पता, लाइक यू आर अवेयर सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड कोटा होता है हिमाचल प्रदेश में, बट स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पता होता ये चीज़. सो व्हाट आर द मिस्टेक्स स्टूडेंट्स शुड अवॉइड ड्यूरिंग काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस ताकि उनका काउंसलिंग अच्छे से हो एंड दे गेट अ गुड कॉलेज जो कि डिजर्व कर रहे हो उस स्कोर पे?
लाइक डू प्रॉपर रिसर्च. आपका जो भी कोटा है पर्टिकुलर, तो उसके बारे में पूरा अवेयर, पूरा नॉलेज, बिकॉज दीज डेज इट्स इजी. इंटरनेट पे आपको मिल जाती हैं चीज़ें, बट स्टिल मैनी पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट सम थिंग्स लाइक स्पेशल कोई कोटा है, लाइक सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड एज यू सेड. And also the counseling dates, and keep all your certificates, because during my counseling also someone don't have some certificate, तो पूरा देख लो कि क्या क्या चाहिए, वो सारे अपने certificates रख के and accordingly आप college भी वैसे उस show में apply करो, like
Okay.
in that
Okay.
order.
So for getting more information, we make content related to that. तो हम like you can subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram, because we are making this awareness video, because जो भी हमने videos बनाए हैं, we got a फीडबैक फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स, स्पेशली पेरेंट्स, दे वर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. कि हमारे पास इंडिया में यूजुअली ये होता है कि लाइक सिर्फ जनरल कैटेगरी, OBC, SC, ST, यही लगता है कि सिर्फ यही कोटे होते हैं, लाइक EWS ऑल्सो. बट ये लाइक सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड कोटा एक ऐसा स्पेशल कोटा होता है जो कि जनरल कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट्स को भी होता है. अब अगर उन्हें ये पता ही नहीं होगा, सो लाइक दे मेक अ फिर वेरी जनरलाइज मिस्टेक. सो स्वाति, माई लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, what is the advice you want to give to someone who is preparing for NEET right now? Any advice जो कि आप चाहते थे आपको मिले, क्या है एडवाइस?
Okay, so it's like don't feel like कि ये हो गया इसके बाद लाइफ सेट है, जो एक सबसे बड़ा मिसकॉन्सेप्शन है. तो उसको अभी रिमूव कर दो कि ये कर लेंगे तो इसके बाद विल बी हैप्पी, आवर प्रॉब्लम्स विल बी रिमूव, वी विल बी नोन एज लाइक डॉक्टर एंड एवरीवन. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. यू विल स्टिल लाइक, ऐसा नहीं आप हवा में उड़ने लग जाओगे, आपको अपने पैर जमीन पे ही रखने पड़ेंगे. तो ऐसा नहीं है जो हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं कि लाइफ बदल जाएगी और सम ड्रास्टिक चेंज विल हैपन. तो दैट्स नॉट द थिंग. Do some self-reflection or self-introspection. Like sometimes there will be rough patches or there will be challenges. You will feel कि stressed और कि ठीक है marks नहीं आ रहे हैं test में या something like that. तो don't take too much that उसको उतना मत लो, and keep take care of your health also, because it's a long journey. Your health first is very important, your physical as well as your mental health. Talk with people,
Okay.
your friends, or ask for help if you need,
Mhm.
and identify that why I'm doing this, and just make that dream vision, what I want, like how, where I want to see myself after these years.
Okay. So basically you are saying कि like keep yourself motivated. Second चीज don't expect कि आपकी life बिल्कुल drastically बदल जाएगी. There will be red carpet for you जो आपके पास आएगा और you will become a doctor and everything will go like that.
It's the opposite. You will see many things in your like graduation, college days also. It's not when we are students, like we are treated like you have to do this, and teachers won't have any mercy on you. The
Okay.
professors,
हाँ.
they are like कि ठीक है तुम यहाँ पे पढ़ने आए हो. It's very different. You won't feel that.
So share one experience. Share one experience.
One experience, like in first year, we used to have those like very diagrams we have to make in histology with different pencils. उनका special pencil आता है, वो normal pencil नहीं हम कर सकते, and that is very difficult to even sharpen. वो टूट जाता है बहुत जल्दी.
Okay.
And used to, and my drawing is not that good,
Okay.
so initially I made some cell or something, and I went to my teacher for for correcting that. And she made some joke or some fun, and I was like, only few days into college, like ये तो पूरा यहाँ पे ragging कर रहे हैं professors भी, and so,
Okay. So funny thing is like you have to still draw in college also.
yes.
Okay. So Swati, it was great talking to you. Like I hope students have learned a lot of things. Okay. And I hope students will take something out of it. And I really hope that one day a student, future doctor comes to you and says, "Ki I saw your podcast on this channel and on Instagram account," and makes you proud.
Thank you so much. Last concluding words. Like as I took this branch physiology, again many people ask like why you took this. You
Okay.
could have got like medicine or other things. So I took it by choice. और बहुत सारे लोगों को ये नहीं एक्सेप्ट होता कि ऐसे भी कोई कर सकता है. इसमें
Okay.
भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिलेमा है. Like choosing the, we run after just few bunch of branches and others we don't care, because one thing is like जो बहुत popular बन जाती है चीज़, we have that in our minds. Like same thing with MBBS only. Even there are many other good options, but हम वहाँ जाएंगे नहीं, awareness नहीं है. Everyone is running towards one side, तो ठीक है, we just ignore other options. But there are many other good, beautiful options.
Okay.
Don't think like अगर यही करोगे तो then you will get something. Most important is your own satisfaction and your own happiness at the end. Only that matters, and then only you can offer value. अगर आप खुद ही satisfied नहीं हो इस चीज़ से, आपने pressure में लेके वो ले लिया, then how can you help others?
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you.